Hello beauties, it's me Monalika. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and staying safe at home. So today I'm talking about open pores. It's a very common problem of our skin. So let's talk about it. First of all, you will have to know what are open pores. Open skin pores are small pit-like pores that appears in people with combination to oily skin. Having open pores on your skin can make your face look like dull and old. Pores also accumulate dirt and become clogged. A clogged pore leads to further complications like pimples, blackheads, and excess production of sebum. Pores are vital for skin hydration and removal of toxins, but enlarged pores can be a cause for concern. Now come to what causes open pores on skin. Several factors can contribute towards the enlargement of pores. Sun exposure without protection causes damage to skin collagen and reduces elasticity. A top cause for enlarged pores is heredity. Over time, skin cells lose collagen and elastin, which stretches your skin and leads to enlarged pores. Excessive secretion from the sebaceous glands creates clogged pores. If you do not wash your face regularly, you may suffer from open pores. Using too much makeup prevents the skin from breathing and creates clogged pores. Makeup also attracts dirt and oil, which increases shine in the pores. Certain face scrubs and cosmetics can also be too heavy for your face, reducing its elasticity and creating open pores. Changes in the hormones can increase oil secretion, resulting in open pores. Excessive sweating can also cause for open pores. Sweat attracts dirt and clogs pores. Chemical residue can create an unhealthy buildup that open pores wide. Improper diet also a main reason for open pores. Eating fried food often can increase sebum production, leading to open pores. Hey, don't worry though. I will give you some tips to prevent open pores. Here are a few tips that can help you prevent open pores. Try them out to see a change in your skin. Cleanse regularly with a mild cleanser twice a day to keep the pores clean. Exfoliate on a regular basis to remove dead skin. A deep pore cleansing once a month will keep the pores clear. Remove your makeup before sleeping. Use lukewarm water rather than hot water to wash your face. Don't squeeze blackheads or pimples. Eat more fruits and vegetables. And stay hydrated. This is not enough. You will have to know what not to do when dealing with open pores. Number 1. Don't over exfoliate your skin. Women often find themselves exfoliating their skin excessively and even harshly in an attempt to make larger pores vanish. However, this only causes micro tears on your skin and accentuates pores even more. Go easy on your skin. Number 2. Don't expose your bare skin to sunlight. Many people believe that standing in the sun can shrink pores. However, this is far from true, as UV rays break down collagen in the skin, increasing the size of pores. A strict no-no. Number 3. Don't pick at your skin. If you are trying to pop that pimple or itch your skin, you may want to think twice. Popping pimples only spreads more bacteria into your skin, making pores appear larger. Itching, like scrubbing, will damage your skin. Number 4. Don't apply ice directly to your skin. Ice is said to shrink pores, and while it does indeed minimize the pores, avoid applying ice directly to your skin. This can damage the delicate tissues in your skin and hamper blood flow, which leads to other issues. Wrap the ice in a towel or just splash cold water instead for the same result minus any risks. Now come to the main point. How to get rid of open pores on face and skin naturally. Persistent and unpleasant looking open pores can be treated with home remedies. Here are some home remedies to get rid of open pores. Let's check this out. Fresh aloe vera can be used on open pores as it will help hydrate the skin and tighten it. Apply aloe vera gel on open pores and massage gently for a few minutes. Let the gel stay on your skin for approximately 10 minutes. Rinse off with water. Repeating this procedure every day will help to shrink your pores considerably. This remedy works because aloe vera cleanses, nourishes and hydrates the skin and unclogs the pores. Apple cider vinegar is one of the best known skin toners available and can tighten pores when used appropriately. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water in a 1:1 ratio. Dip a ball of cotton in this solution and dab it on your face. Let it dry. Use this skin toner after every wash. Apple cider vinegar can tighten skin, reduce inflammation, and cleanse the skin to minimize pores. A mask made of egg white can help tighten skin and improve its elasticity. Mix 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal powder, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to make a fine paste. Apply this paste on your face, spreading it evenly. Let it sit on your face for about 30 minutes. Rinse off with normal water. Apply this paste twice a week for best results. Why this remedy works? The white of eggs can tighten and tone skin and improve its quality. Papaya is known for its cleansing properties and can help unclog pores. Mash the pieces of papaya and add honey to it. Mix it well. Apply it on your face. Let it stay for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with water. Apply this face pack twice or thrice a week. Papaya is rich in antioxidants and has the enzyme papain, which can reduce blemishes and unclog pores. Banana is an amazing remedy to many common ailments and can help cure enlarged pores too. Run the inside of a banana peel gently against your skin. Wash it after 10 to 15 minutes. Try this fix every alternate day. Why this remedy works? Lutein is an antioxidant in the banana peel, which along with potassium can rejuvenate skin and tighten pores. Argan oil is a therapeutic remedy that is great for skin and hair. It also helps tightening pores. Warm the oil droplets between your fingers. Apply the oil to your face and massage gently with the tips of your fingers. Rinse your face using warm water after about 30 minutes. Repeat this every night before going to bed for glowing skin. Why this remedy works? Argan oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that hydrate the skin and give it a glow, diminishing the appearance of larger pores. Jojoba oil is a good remedy for open pores. Massage some jojoba oil on your face for a few minutes in a gentle circular motion. Leave the oil overnight. Use jojoba oil 2 to 3 times a week for glowing skin. Why this remedy works? The consistency of jojoba oil is very similar to natural skin oil. It reduces the size of enlarged pores as well as cleanses them. It is one of the best home remedies for open pores. Cucumber is a natural skin hydrant. The high water content of cucumber helps hydrate the skin and tighten it. It is a good remedy for open pores on oily face and skin. Blend 5 slices of cucumber and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to form a pulp. Apply this pulp on your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse off with water. Apply this cucumber and lemon pulp on your face twice a week for the best results. An additional tip: use cucumber from the refrigerator or freeze the slices for 2 minutes before blending. Why this remedy works? Cucumber can delay the aging process of skin and tightens the pores because of its high water content and antioxidants properties. Baking soda is another simple remedy to scrub your face clean and reduce those open pores. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of water to form a thick and consistent paste. Make sure to use warm water to activate the soda. Apply the mixture on your face and massage it in for 30 seconds. Rinse it properly using normal water. You can use this mix once in 3 days. Why this remedy works? Baking soda balances the skin's pH balance by reducing acid content. It scrubs off dead cells and works as an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent to calm your skin down. Honey is the one of the best natural moisturizers as well as cleansers which improve skin quality. It is one of the simplest home remedies for open pores on the nose and cheeks. Prepare a mixture of the 1 tablespoon of honey and half tablespoon of lemon juice and massage this on your face. Massage over the pores, especially near the nose and cheeks, in circular movements. Let it sit on your face for 15 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water and follow up with a cold water rinse to tighten the pores. You can do this as a daily rituals or thrice a week. Why this remedy works? Honey is a natural astringent that can tighten skin and close pores. It improves the quality of skin by toning it. Green tea eventually helps to shrink your large pores. Green tea, as well all know, is great for our skin and body. It contains tannins that work as antioxidants and remove toxins and other irritants from your skin. For green tea face pack, we will need 1 tablespoon green tea powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons water, 1 egg white and 2 tablespoons flour. Add water to the green tea powder and let this mixture sit for 4 to 5 minutes. Blend the egg white with flour and add this to the green tea mixture. Apply this pack on your face and neck. Let it dry for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Do this once or twice a week. Egg white also helps to tone the skin and tighten pores, making the skin firm and supple. This face pack also works as an anti-aging mask. Tea tree oil is another great remedy for shrinking large pores and preventing and/or treating acne in oily skin. Tea tree essential oil penetrates the blockage developed between your skin and its sebaceous glands, thereby softening the debris and removing them from the pores. It also dries out breakouts and disinfects the pores with its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and astringent properties, thereby minimize their appearance efficiently. Mix 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oil in a cup of distilled water and apply the mixture to your facial skin with the help of a cotton ball. Otherwise, you can pour the mixture into a clean spray bottle and spray it over your face generously. Once it dries, wash your face with plain cold water. Using this remedy twice a day will give you noticeable results in just 3 weeks. You guys are asked me some questions on dealing with open pores. Here I have answered a few frequently asked questions. Most asked common question is, can I get rid of open pores permanently using home remedies? No, definitely not. It is not possible to permanently remove open pores through home remedies. Non-abrasive laser treatment may work better for extremely large pores to see a stark difference. Next questions. Are there any side effects of home remedies to treat open pores? There are no known side effects to using home cleanser and toners for open pores. However, be sure not to overuse them or skin will get dehydrated. There is another most asked common question is, why I am getting large pores? Oily skin, hormonal changes and sun damage can significantly increase the size of your pores. Next question is, what diet is helpful for skin pores? Fresh juices, fiber rich and vitamin C rich foods with collagen enhancer like cucumber, radish and tomato will help. A good skincare routine, water-rich moisturizers and a healthy diet will help keep your pore size in check and maintain the oil balance of your face. Follow the tips mentioned before and keep glowing. So hope this video will helpful to shrink your open pores. Hope you guys liked it. If you enjoyed by watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell icon if you guys like to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. I will see you soon with another new video. Till then, bye beauties.